In this video, I will show you how to check your spelling. You can check your spelling in any of the Office.com programs that we are using for your ePortfolio. You can check your spelling in Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and in Outlook. So why is this important? Checking your spelling is important for two main reasons. Firstly, it helps you to improve your spelling, and it helps you to recognize or see which words you are spelling incorrectly. So here in this first example of work, you can see that the student has spelled family incorrectly, and that's why there's this red line underneath the word. Also, you can see the student has spelled April incorrectly, and Microsoft Word is letting you know this is spelled incorrectly by putting the red line underneath. Another reason why it's important to check your spelling is because it gives a nice look, a nice appearance to the work that you submit. In this second example, you can see the student has done everything correctly and has spelled everything correctly, but because Microsoft Word is using an American or a British dictionary to check your spelling, it doesn't recognize things like Arabic names, for example. So it has all these red lines, but the student has spelled the names correctly. So we want to remove those lines, and I will show you how to do that in this video. Finally, one more reason why it is important to check your spelling is because when you go to your workplace, when you finish studying and you have to send emails, it will look much nicer and much more professional to not have any spelling mistakes. Also, if you have to send important emails for any reason, you can make sure that they're spelled correctly, and people will see that you're serious when you're sending the email and that you care about the email that you're sending. So how do we start? The first thing is that you can see all of these programs, Outlook, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, they all have a review tab at the top. You can see review, 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 and this is how you will get to the spell check feature. So I'm going to go to Word now, and this is just an example of a writing, okay? So you can see that I have some misspelled words. So I'm going to go to the review tab, and I'm going to go to spelling and grammar. Okay, so here Word is going to the first word that I spelled incorrectly, and it's giving me some options. It's asking me, did you mean to say the word activities? Or maybe you wanted to say activates? Which word did you want to write here? So this is the word that I wanted. I will click this one, activities, and then also, if you're not sure, it gives you here the definition. So it's saying actions, doings. This is the meaning that I want. So I will select this one and select change. Now it's spelled correctly, and you can see there's no red line under my word. Okay, the second thing is, of course, here it's spelled correctly, but this is supposed to be two words, not one. So again, I will select change, and now it's corrected. Now, if it's a mistake, like for example, an Arabic word that doesn't appear in the English dictionary, let's say a name, for example. So, Meitha al-Shamsi, let's say. this is spelled correctly, so we just need to remove the red lines. How do we do that? So again, you go to Review, Spelling and Grammar. This time, I don't need to change the spelling, so I'm going to click Ignore. Same thing. Al-Shamsi is okay, so I'm going to select Ignore. Okay, and that's how I can remove those red lines. Now the appearance of my writing is so much better. It's nice and it's professional. One last option I want to show you for checking just one word quickly is that you can highlight the word like this. You can right click and you can decide to change it if it's spelled incorrectly. If it's spelled correctly, you can just select here, Ignore All. And it does the same thing, remove the line for you. So I hope this helps you, and I look forward to seeing work without any spelling mistakes and without any red lines in the future. Thank you for watching.